Yeah. Sneak on the counter, paws real low. Grab that chicken, then I gotta go. Whole damn bird hanging out my jaw. Drag it to the darkness, disappear raw. Under the bed with the grease on me. Eyes glow green, no peace for thee. 40-minute growl, don't reach, don't speak. Tiny black beast with a poultry streak. Whole bird, beans don't share, no whole bird. Low growl, slow crawl. Chicken bones against the wall. Whole bird, 9-pound king of the underworld. Hares come close, better reconsider. Beans got possessed by the rotisserie dinner. Give me the chicken. Mumble in the shadows, mine. Seasoned little criminal, feline grime. You bought dinner, but the bird chose me. Now the bedroom smells like rosemary. Claws in the breast, teeth in the thigh. Human on the floor, asking beans, but why? No reply, just a demon hiss. 9 pounds heavy with an iron grip. Whole bird, beans don't share, no whole bird. 40 minutes, battle stance, grease stained paws and a murder glance. Whole bird, rotisserie lord of the shadow world. Hide your dinner, lock your doors, beans is hungry forevermore.